Hi, this is Sam from CompuVoip. We are a leading provider of hosted voice over IP and IP PBX solutions. Now, when we started out, we were initially a Toshiba dealer, one of the largest Toshiba dealers in the country. And although we're currently focused on voice over IP premise and hosted, we do have a lot of legacy Toshiba users. And one of the issues that they commonly have is that the connector where the phone handset cord connects to the phone, it often goes bad. So we created a little kit that we're selling on eBay. It provides a little connector kit with everything that you would need to replace that piece. Now, the tools that you're going to need in order to do this is just a Phillips screwdriver and a pliers to cut the old wiring and to crimp the new connectors on this one, we already removed. There's four Phillips screws on the back of the phone. You just simply remove the cover with the four screws in each corner. Take that off. Old one is seated on the side over here. And you'd take that and you would cut it as close to the connector as possible. And then using our kit, you would take the new connector. No soldering, no stripping of wires necessary. You just connect the old wires to the new wires. Colors don't line up, so we're going to have a little instruction sheet in there that'll tell you which colors to connect to what. Here, I'll show you how to do it in the beginning. You take the black wire from the new connector, put it in there, and then you do the same with the black wire going to the Toshiba phone. Here, I'm trying not to block it with my fingers. You'd push it in there, get it in good, and then you would crimp it. So you just tighten it up, and no stripping of wires are necessary, and then you have one wire connected. Now you would do the same with the rest of the wires. You would connect the yellow from the Toshiba, and you connect that to the green from the new wire. Push it in there good, and then you would crimp that together. You would then connect the red from the Toshiba together with the yellow from the new wire. Make sure it's in there good. And then tighten it, crimp it together. And then finally the same with the last wire. You would connect the green from the Toshiba together with the red from the new wire. Put them both in there together, and then crimp it tightly. Once that's done, you just seat the female RJ9 back into the slot. I switch the angle up a little bit, but you see that'll push right down into there, it's seated in the right slot. Then you would just cover the phone back up, put the four screws in. You can see it's in there, and it would be good to go. And that is how you could fix the female. If your connector, RJ9 female connector, is broken and you're having an issue that your handset is not connecting to your phone, often it's not the handset, it's the connector itself, and this is how you can repair it. Included in the kit is the female RJ9 connector along with the B connectors, which is how you connect them together. It doesn't require any expertise, no technical know-how, just simple putting the right two wires in, which we have a guide for that'll come with the packet, and crimping it together. Now bear in mind this is only a temporary solution. We do not support Toshiba systems anymore, and if you are using a Toshiba system or any old legacy system, you're missing out on a lot. There's a lot of advances in voice over IP, either premise or hosted, and we'll be happy to help you with that. You can check out our website, www.compuvoip.com, CompuVoip.com. Or you could give us a call, 718-230-9292. That's 718-230-9292, and we'll be happy to show you what what you're missing by not getting hosted voice over IP, including some advances with AI that we can now use with our phone systems, as well as different integrations. Looking forward to hearing from you.